Do you think your network is completely secure just by hiding your Wi-Fi name, your SSID? Well, you're wrong. It literally only takes a few seconds for a hacker to find out the real name of a hidden network. In today's explainer, we're going to see exactly how to reveal the true name of any hidden Wi-Fi network using Aircrack-ng. Let's dive right in.
So, is hiding your Wi-Fi actually secure? A lot of people think hiding their Wi-Fi name makes their network completely invisible. But guys, a hidden SSID is not a real security feature. I mean, sure, it hides your network from casual users, like, your neighbors looking for a free connection, but it absolutely does not hide it from someone who actually understands how Wi-Fi communication works under the hood.
Now, before we really get going, let me just say that this explainer is made strictly for educational and ethical cybersecurity awareness purposes only.
Okay, let's break this down. What exactly is a hidden SSID? Well, normally, your wireless router broadcasts its network name so nearby devices can easily find it, right? When you enable that Hide SSID option, the router simply stops advertising that name in its regular beacon broadcasts. But here's the real kicker. The network itself? It's still operating totally normally. Authorized devices can still connect, they're still exchanging data, and communicating with the access point just like before. And this is exactly why cybersecurity professionals do not rely on a hidden SSID as a real security measure. Section 1. Revealing Hidden Networks, the Aircrack-ng demonstration.
We're going to walk through a fast-paced, step-by-step breakdown of how ethical hackers uncover these hidden networks. Here's our 5-step roadmap. First, monitor mode. Second, scan networks. Third, targeted capture. Fourth, the deauthentication attack. And finally, step 5, the SSID reveal.
All right, step 1. First, you need to put your wireless card into monitor mode. By executing sudo airmon-ng start WLAN 0, we're essentially telling our wireless card to stop just listening to its own traffic and start listening to all surrounding wireless traffic in the air. It's kind of like giving your Wi-Fi card a superpowered hearing aid.
Moving on to step 2, scanning networks. Now we will scan all the nearby networks using sudo airodump ng WLAN 0 mon. Even though the hidden network's name might show up as totally blank or with a length of 0, we can still clearly see its BSSID, which is its unique MAC address, and the specific channel number it's operating on. We absolutely need to note those down.
With that critical information in hand, we hit step 3, targeted capture. Now we will start capturing data with that specified channel and BSSID. We run our airodump command, plug in the target BSSID and channel we just grabbed, and boom! We're now capturing data specifically from that hidden network, just waiting for a device to communicate with it.
But hey, we don't want to wait around all day, right? Step 4 is the deauthentication attack. You see, the name of a hidden network is only revealed when a device connects to that network. So, we force the issue. We'll send a short deauth packet to a connected device using the aireplay-ng command. It's basically the digital equivalent of hanging up the phone on them. This forcefully causes the device to disconnect and immediately try to reconnect. Step 5, the SSID reveal, the magic moment. Boom! As soon as the device reconnects to the router, it absolutely has to broadcast the network name to reestablish that connection. The terminal instantly captures this data and displays the real name of our supposedly hidden network right there. Just like that, the invisible becomes visible.
Section 2. True Wi-Fi Security Practices, Actionable Defense.
So, the crucial point is, if hiding your SSID can be bypassed in literally seconds, what should you actually do? Let's quickly rattle off the real security practices that actually make a difference. First off, use WPA3 encryption whenever your router supports it. Second, create a long, unique, and complex Wi-Fi password. Third, keep that router firmware updated with the very latest security patches. Fourth, disable WPS unless you absolutely need it. It's a known vulnerability. And lastly, regularly review the list of connected devices in your router's admin panel to make sure there's one lingering around. Which brings us to a massive, fundamental rule in cybersecurity. Security through obscurity is never a replacement for proper security. Hiding a name doesn't equal real protection. It's just an illusion of safety. Real, actual protection comes from strong encryption and rock-solid configuration. So, now you know the truth about hidden networks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to watch more technical and ethical hacking tutorials on Wi-Fi security just like this one. Press and hold the bell icon to be the very first to get the next update. See you in the next explainer, and happy hacking! Oh, and before you go, consider this. If the very features designed to make us feel safe actually leave us completely blind to real vulnerabilities, what other security features in your digital life are just a comforting illusion?